In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can close trades on MT4. So closing trades on MT4 is a really simple thing to do. So what I'm going to do first of all is head over to MetaTrader 4. Once I open up MetaTrader 4, I am now going to open a trade so I can show you how you can close it down. So if I click on new order, and then I can just click on buy with the minimum lot size. So if I click on buy, as you can see, the order is now open. So what I can do once I've opened a trade is simply go to the icon third from the left hand side, and then it will show you all of the trades that you have open. So what you can do from here is simply click and hold on the trade that you want to close. Once you do that, as you can see, there is an option now for close order. If you click on close order, it will bring you to this section here, and here is where you can click on close with loss or close with profit, whichever your trade is running in. So click on that, and then as you can see, the order is now closed. So it's just that simple to close orders on MetaTrader 4, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.